This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking the scope and audience so the manual serves real learners. Explain who will use it and what success looks like. This guides every decision. Once done, list prerequisites and immediate first steps, access, templates, and a 1/2-day pilot. Make sure to include roles and minimum skills so you avoid wasted content. You want clear objectives tied to measurable outcomes. This prevents scope creep and lets you start drafting modules that match real needs. You now build the core, modules and workflows that teach tasks from start to finish. Draft each module with a goal, detailed steps, decision checks, and estimated time so learners plan their session. Once a draft exists, add visuals and concise checklists to speed execution. Make sure to include templates, examples, and sample answers so learners can practice against standards. This makes the manual usable in real situations and reduces inconsistent training across instructors. You finish by piloting the manual with real users and iterating based on measured feedback. Test clarity, timing, and whether steps produce the expected outcome, then lock a version number and schedule updates every 90 days. Once done, publish accessible formats and train trainers on consistency. If things go wrong, first reproduce the error, check the troubleshooting section, and revert to the previous version while you fix the content. That single troubleshooting habit saves time and preserves trust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.